I see 2 shots right through it.
Yeah, I got 3 in there. One went through the same hole.
You see where that one went?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, nice shot. Oh,
The whole crowd's
man.
oh, that was great.
I feel bad almost. It's like you guys bought the pumpkin and the target.
Pumpkin shot successful.
Oh, man.
Signing off.